Hey guys, welcome back to Gopi's Art Gallery, and today we are going to do something with my round sketchbook. So let's get started. So today's project will be a little bit of painting and a little bit of craft. I have cut these two square pieces of pages as you can see, and I'm going to draw something on both sides of these pages. As you can see, I have painted a sunset at one side of the page, and right now I will be drawing a window pane here. And this is me working on the second page. As you can see, I'm drawing the scenery, and then I will cut out the window pane but not the scenery. So guys, as you can see, I have cut down the window pane. Right now I'm filling it with the colors. You can ask for a older or someone who's older than you to cut out the pieces, because safety is must, guys, of course. And after the coloring, we are going to paint a page of my round sketchbook for the background of our window pane. I think you can guess what I'm trying to make here. So let's do it. And I have finished with the background, and here we are going to place our window cutout into the background. So we are going to use some fevicol for this work. You can use any glue that you have, but please don't use fevigum because it might slide later off. So you need to use any paper glue that is a little bit of extra adhesive, like any glue stick or fevicol or any kind of Elmer's glue. You can always use on these. And I'm kind of measuring the windows here before I snap them up. And here we are, our little window scenery. I am opening it and I'm getting the full view of the scenery. How you like it? Comment down below. Of course, share it to your friends and family. Make it with your friends and family. And don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.